In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram Live not showing. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but you need to update Instagram first. If it's not updated, just go ahead and open up the App Store or Google Play Store and check to see if Instagram has an update. If it does have an update, go ahead and install it, and then from here open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap the three lines up in the top right corner, and you need to first check your account privacy. So scroll down, you're going to see account privacy on here, open that up, and you need to make sure your account is public. So take this private account option off just like so. If your account is private, live may not show up. Then go back and you need to check the account type and tools section just like so. So scroll down on here, you're going to see account type and tools towards the very bottom. Select that, and then you need to make sure that you are set to a personal account. I just recommend staying on a personal account rather than a professional account. You still can live stream on a professional account. However, you will get restrictions a lot faster. And if you have any restrictions, that could stop live from appearing. Also, if you're on a teen account, live may be disabled by default. In that case, a parent needs to turn on live from their parent account. But that is everything. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.